We are going to explore some interesting words that are all connected by one root, phone. The root, phone or phone actually comes from Latin and Greek, and it means sound or voice. So, any word that has phone in it likely has something to do with sound. Let's discover how this root shows up in different words and what those words mean in everyday English. Let's begin. Telephone. The word telephone comes from tele meaning far and phone meaning sound. So, telephone literally means sound from far away. Telephone is a device that lets us talk to people who are far away using sound. I called my grandma on the telephone. Megaphone. Mega means big or large and phone is sound, so megaphone means a device that makes big sound. Yes, megaphone is a device that makes your voice louder when you speak into it. The coach used a megaphone to call all the players to the field. Saxophone. Saxophone is a musical instrument made of brass that makes beautiful sound using air and keys. It's a common instrument in jazz music. Even though it ends in phone, it doesn't send messages, it creates sound through air vibrations. She plays the saxophone in the school band every weekend. Xylophone.
Xylo
Means wood, and phone means sound, so it literally means wood sound. Xylophone is a musical instrument made of wooden bars that you hit to make sound. The child learned to play a simple tune on the xylophone. Symphony. Sim means together and phony means sound, so symphony means sounds that come together. Symphony means a long musical composition played by an orchestra. We went to the theater to hear a symphony by Beethoven. Phonics. Phonics is a method of teaching, reading and spelling by linking sounds with letters. It helps learners connect letters to the sounds they make. It is used especially in early education to help kids read by recognizing sound patterns. In kindergarten, students use phonics to learn how to read words. Homophone. Homo means same and phone means sound. So homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings and spellings like pair and pair. Two and two are all homophones. Cacophony. Caco means bad and phone means sound, so cacophony means bad or harsh sound. It is a mixture of unpleasant sounds. The traffic created a loud cacophony during rush hour. Phonograph. Phone means sound and graph means to write. So, phonograph means sound writer. It is an old-fashioned device used to record and play sound. My grandfather still has a phonograph that plays vinyl records. Headphones. Headphones is a device you wear over your ears to listen to sound privately. I wear headphones while studying to avoid distractions. Microphone. Micro means small, so microphone means small sound. It is a device that captures even small sounds and makes it louder or records it. The singer tested the microphone before going on stage. Euphonic. Eu means good and phone means sound. So, euphonic means pleasant sounding or having a sweet sound. Her voice is very euphonic when she sings. We learned 12 amazing words, all rooted in phone, and all related to sound or voice in some way. I hope you enjoyed the session and understood the meanings and usage of these words. Until next time, keep listening, speaking, and discovering the power of words.